Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant, Rajan, and welcome back to the Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, today being Tuesday, we have a quick podcast early today, and definitely we will talk a lot about the market, what happened yesterday. But if you look at yesterday's market, the Nifty actually started with a gap up opening, but then that could not be sustained. We could see a continuous fall, and till the first half. Then there was a sudden rise and a big buying that took the market really high, close to back to from where the gap up opened. But then from there again a fall, and it was a totally volatile day yesterday. We could see major sectors, seeing some profit booking. And the most interesting thing was the FIAs have again started booking profits. So they almost booked profits for almost 1,200 crores. But the positive part of this day was that DIIs have actually bought for more than 2,000 crores. So that means there is something cooking, and probably, definitely there was the detail expected from Gujarat, that was the Gujarat election exit polls. So probably there could be some insider news, and later on after the market closed, we could see the exit poll results coming out after 5:30 p.m. and that said that the BJP could see a majority win in the Gujarat elections. So probably that was the reason what DIAs have actually gone ahead and bought heavy. Not sure. Let's see. But apart from that, we could also see, Bharti Airtel getting into action. They're partnered with Meta, that is a Facebook parent company, for developing connectivity across the world. So that is something very good. And already we are invested in Bharti Airtel and should be sitting with very good profit already. And let us expect more rise there. Apart from that, I would say this is market is still trying to consolidate. If we see yesterday also, market did take a very good support at 18,650. And from there it actually started rising. It did try to break again, but then again had some positivity, and we could see the Nifty actually closing above 18,700, though it was slightly lower than the gap up opening. Now after Indian markets closed, what happened? If you look at the US market, the US market PMI service PMI data came, and that exactly shows that the service PMI has actually improved. Naturally, that is not a great news, because that means that people are still spending more in the market, and the general people are probably doing a lot of shopping and stuff, which is actually not great stuff for this kind of situation. That is, if the economy is actually getting tougher, then people would not be splurging on purchases. That means there are chances that Federal Reserve could actually continue to raise the interest rate further more than expected, and that actually kind of spewed the market, and we could see investors kind of moving away from equities, and we could see Nasdaq falling by almost 2% in the day. All the US markets closed in negative yesterday, and things were not looking that great. But then this morning, after the Chinese market opened, or the Asian markets opened, I would say the Chinese market has gone up by almost 4%. Hong Kong market was up almost 4% in the day. So that's basically because of the newfound positivity in the China after the news has been coming that the COVID related restriction is kind of coming down. So this is kind of giving some positivity to the Chinese market, and because of this, SGX Nifty, which was actually almost at 18,700 yesterday, has actually jumped by almost 30 to 40 points. That means we could see more of a flat opening today with a slight positive bias in the opening, but then will it sustain is the big question. So right now 18,650 on the lower side is forming a good support. So 18,650 need to be watched on the lower side. If that is broken, 18,600 is a major support, and if that is broken, the day could actually turn really bearish. But on the higher side, I would say as long as the market stays within 18,600 levels and try to stay above that, there are still chances of positivity to go higher. And until 19,000 is broken, I don't expect the market to be actually bullish further also. So probably we could see some consolidation between 18,600 and 19,000 for this week. That's my expectation. However, the Gujarat state election results are coming on Thursday, so definitely this week expiry is going to be challenging. We of course have reduced our positions already in Gold Club, and things are kind of safe that side, and we booked some very small partial profits as well. That's kind of good in this kind of tough situation in the market. So that's it for now. Let us look forward to having a good day in the market. I would be off from the market till afternoon, so probably after that, I should get back to the market. So let us discuss more about it in the community. So with that, this is Srikant and signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.